Hello, good morning everyone. I hope you are well today. I'm Alifa Khoirun Nida. You can call me Nida, and I will guide today's presentation. It's such an honor for me to introduce you all to my friend Farah Ummul Atiyatus Salsabila. She is a student of State University of Malang and she lives in Pasuruan. On today's presentation, she will be presenting a paper. The title is Science in the Media, Brain versus Machine Control by Jose and Carmena. We have 5 minutes to listen her presentation, and the Q&A session will be uploaded in the next video by the question in the comments. For Farah, time is yours.
Good morning, everyone. My name is Farah Ummul Atiyatus Salsabila, and today we're gonna discuss about very interesting topic: brain versus machine control. Doctor Octopus is the villain that terrorized the city in the film of the Spider-Man comic. Is the ultimate characterization of brain machine interface, or BMI. So let's talk about BMI. So it's a part brain and part robot. In the Spider-Man 2, the brain is that of nuclear physicist of Dr. Otto Octavius, who dreams of harnessing or using nuclear fusion. The machine is a harness of four mechanical arms designed with tentacle-like flexibility, gripping and vision capabilities, and an artificial intelligence module that gives them some autonomy. What is autonomy? Autonomy is a self-directing freedom or self-intelligence of machine. The interface between the machine and the brain is the spinal cord level in this part, with an inhibitor chip to prevent the artificial intelligence module in the mechanical arms from taking Octavius' brain. Controlling this mechanical device with these thoughts, Octavius can manipulate hazardous material during his fusion experiments. But however, things got terribly wrong during the demonstration of these experiments. So the mechanical arms combine or fuse to Octavius' body while the inhibitor chip is disabled, resulting in the machine gaining control of his brain. So he was unable to defeat the machine, and together with the BMI, becomes a villainous Dr. Octopus. At the end of the movie, Octavius dramatically sacrifices his life. That was the only way to stop the evil machine and save the world. Although the Dr. Octopus is a fictional character, audience are fascinated by the fact that he is a human BMI. The current BMI program is based on the idea that a human user could enact voluntary motor intentions through a direct interface between his brain and an artificial actuator in virtually the same way that we see, walk, or grab an object with our natural lines. The first generation of BMIs. Subjects have learned that to use their brain activity for different purposes, ranging from electroencephalogram and electrocorticographic based system to multi-electrode based system. Um, they have been exclusively controlled by neutral signals, even with BMI that use neutral activities recorded with invasive electrodes to yield higher bandwidth. It remains unclear whether the quality of the signal will ever suffice for the patient to freely, safely, and effectively control a prosthetic arm to perform daily tasks. Realistic motion through a complex environment with a BMI is extremely challenging, and perhaps it's impossible with the relatively low bandwidth of current BMIs. What does this mean for second generation BMIs? We may find some inspiration in Dr. Octopus. It's innovative in the sense that it is a system that combines or fuses both neuronal and artificial control signals. It makes perfect sense to take advantage of the fields of engineering or control theory and artificial intelligence to build better BMIs. What ratio of neuronal signal? would be needed for optimal control of BMI. In the movie, the Dr. Octavius crisis is a severe unbalance in favor of machine control. Science fiction aside, we see that the more realistic potential problems of having a physical device gaining autonomous control. Technically, this could be analyzed as too much gain in the artificial control signal, which is, in a realistic scenario, would likely result in oscillating behavior, jerky grasping, and etc. Therefore, safeguarding measures is needed. So it needs safeguarding measures are like the inhibitor chip in Octavius' brainstem. For both science and science fiction, the question is just the same. Actually, brain and machine, which one gets the power? I'll be very happy if some of you leave your comments and or opinions and critics about this question. So maybe, yeah, that's all for my presentation. Thank you very much. And let's go back to our moderator, Alifa Nida. Thank you for your attention and see you later.
So guys, we are now at the end of this interesting presentation. So let me summarize the presentation. So we can see from a science fiction film that has been discussed, scientists have their own opinions for BMI technology. It is possible to apply BMI for the effectiveness of human work. However, it is still unfortunate that there have been no significant developments regarding how to safely implement this technology. This is homework for scientists to find together. And for the last time, what do you think? Brain versus machine? Who gets the power? So, for our Q&A session, you are welcome to ask questions in the comments down below, and please ask questions briefly and clearly. Well, thank you Farah for your marvelous presentation, and thank you guys for watching, for your participants. Have a nice day and see you on the next video.